Today we're going to talk about how to pick a good onion plant and how to care for a good onion plant in your vegetable garden. Definitely want to stay away from any browning or black spots or anything. This one looks pretty good. It's got a lot of green on it. You want to look for a lot of green like that. The little brown spots aren't too bad. That's as long as it's not all looking like that. As long as you got a majority of the green, you would definitely want to make sure there's some coming out of each one, or I wouldn't pick that one anyway. This particular variety is going to take 120 or to 130 days to mature and produce that vegetable for you, so you definitely want to give yourself enough time. These take quite a while, so you want to plant them pretty early in the season. They need full sun, and definitely want to water them at least once every 1 or 2 days. Just don't forget about them. You can use any kind of basic fertilizer for them. There's different vegetable fertilizers. Any basic Miracle Grow will work for just about anything in here. And you just want to make sure you give yourself enough time, because these take so long to mature in the season. 120 or 130 days is a lot longer than a tomato or something like that. It's going to take about half that time. So we definitely want to get these ones started early.